Super Typhoon Pepito struck the Philippines with immense force. It was one of the strongest storms to hit the island nation in recent years. Pepito brought powerful winds, heavy rain and large waves. The storm's impact was felt across the country. Many areas experienced severe damage. The Philippines is no stranger to typhoons. The country sits in the western Pacific Ocean, an area prone to these powerful storms. However, Super Typhoon Pepito stood out for its intensity. Its arrival served as a stark reminder of nature's power and the importance of disaster preparedness. The impact of the typhoon was widely reported. News agencies around the world covered the story, highlighting the storm's strength and the damage it caused. The images of flooded streets and destroyed homes served as a reminder of the devastating effects of these natural disasters. The Philippines government issued timely warnings about the approaching typhoon. This allowed residents to prepare and evacuate to safer areas. The government's efforts played a crucial role in minimizing the loss of life. As Super Typhoon Pepito barreled towards the Philippines, a massive evacuation effort swung into action. Over 1 million people, heeding the warnings issued by the authorities, moved to safer grounds. They sought refuge in schools, gymnasiums, and other sturdy structures designated as evacuation centers. The evacuation process, though a monumental task, showcased the Philippines' preparedness for such calamities. Years of experience in dealing with typhoons had equipped the nation with the knowledge and infrastructure to handle such situations. The government agencies, in coordination with local communities, worked tirelessly to ensure the safety of the citizens. Inside the evacuation centers, a sense of community prevailed. Families shared their meager supplies, offering comfort and support to each other. Volunteers and social workers distributed food, water, and other essentials, ensuring that everyone's basic needs were met. The evacuation effort, while disruptive, undoubtedly saved countless lives. It highlighted the importance of heeding early warnings and cooperating with authorities during such emergencies. The Philippines' experience serves as a model for other nations prone to natural disasters, underlining the significance of preparedness and community resilience. Super Typhoon Pepito made its first landfall on Catanduanes Island. This island is in the Bicol region of the Philippines. The storm brought destructive winds and torrential rain. Structures on the island were battered, some beyond repair. Trees were uprooted and power lines snapped, plunging the island into darkness. The storm surge, a wall of water pushed ashore by the typhoon's force, added to the devastation. It inundated coastal communities, causing widespread flooding. Homes were submerged, their contents ruined by the relentless influx of water. Boats were torn from their moorings and tossed onto the shore like toys. The agricultural sector, a cornerstone of the Philippine economy, suffered a significant blow. Fields of rice and corn ready for harvest were flattened and submerged. The typhoon's impact on food security became a growing concern for the authorities. Pepito's fury served as a stark reminder of the destructive power nature can unleash. The damage inflicted on Catanduanes Island painted a grim picture, highlighting the urgent need for aid and rehabilitation. In the aftermath of the typhoon, communities are coming together to rebuild what was lost. Families are sorting through the debris, salvaging what they can, and supporting one another in these challenging times. It's a testament to human resilience and the unbreakable spirit of those affected. As the days pass, Typhoon Pepito's threat begins to diminish. Meteorologists report that the storm is losing strength and moving away from heavily populated areas. Relief efforts are ramping up, and aid is starting to reach those in need. There's a sense of cautious optimism as the worst appears to be over. The journey to recovery will be long, but the strength and unity of the community provide a solid foundation. With continued support and determination, the scars left by Typhoon Pepito will heal over time. Together, we will rebuild, stronger and more resilient than ever.